Okay, an object of area 24 centimeters squared is mapped onto an image of area x centimeters squared by a successive transformation m equals -1201 followed by n 1002. Find the value of x. That is the question that we have here, and we want to tackle it. Is a question under matrices and transformation, and as you know, I'm going to take you through this question. I'm Felix Shibuku. I'll be taking you through the question so that we find a solution to it. So if you get a question like this, it's a question by an object is mapped onto an image by successive transformations. Therefore, in this case, successive transformations, we know very well that a single matrix for a successive transformation is given by matrix 2 times matrix 1. The second matrix multiplied by the first matrix. Therefore, we're going to multiply n multiplied by n. N multiplied by n will be 1002 multiplied by -1201. Therefore, we know very well is the row multiplied by a column. The components of a row in the first matrix is multiplied by the components of a row in the second matrix. Therefore, we're going to multiply them. We say 1 multiplied by 1, -1, 1 multiplied by -1, plus 0 multiplied by 0. This one gives us the first component of the product matrix. Then we do the same with the same row. We multiply the next column to give us the second column of the product matrix. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1. We are done with the first row. We are going to the second row now. Second row we have 0, 2. 0, we multiply 0 by 1 plus 2 by 0. Then this one for the second column will be 0 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 1 is addition. This one is going to give us the product matrix. And from here, we will now get the product, which is going to be, this is -1 plus 0 is -1. This is 2 plus 0 is 2. This one is 0 plus 0 is 0. Then we have 0 plus 2 is 2. This one is the product of the matrices. This is the single matrix of transformation. Therefore, from here, we are going to the next step. Next step, which says that it was a transformation. Therefore, as we all know that under any transformation given, the determinant of the transformation matrix, matrix is equals to the area scale factor. Therefore, the area scale factor we know very well is given by area of the image over area of the object. For that reason, let us first find the determinant. The determinant of -1202. How do we get the determinant? Determinant is equals to the product of the main diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal. The product of the main diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal. This one gives us negative 2. Therefore, what is the area in this case? For this reason, we say that area of the object, area of the image, divided by area of the object is equal to negative 2. Therefore, area of the image was given to be x, divided by area of the object was given to be 24, to give us negative 2. Have this over 1, then we cross multiply to give us x is equal to negative 48 centimeter squared. You will ask yourself, can area be negative? In this case, area cannot be negative. We are going to ignore the negative. Then after ignoring the negative, this negative here only shows that the area, the enlargement factor was a negative. It's only showing us that the enlargement factor was negative. Therefore, we are ignoring the negative so that our area is equal to 48 centimeter squared. And that marks the end of that question. See you in the next clip, where we'll be doing a different question on a different topic.